إن الذين قالوا ربنا الله ثم استقاموا تتنزل عليهم الملائكة ألا تخافوا ولا تحزنوا وأبشروا بالجنة التي كنتم توعدون نحن أولياؤكم في الحياة الدنيا وفي الآخرة ولكم فيها ما تشتهي أنفسكم ولكم فيها ما تدعون نزلا من غفور رحيم صدق الله العظيم
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. Mr. Chairman is Professor Rashid Latif Khan. He will be concluding this session on internet, what I have gathered. Am I right?
मेरा ख्याल है सर वो मैं बताया अभी आपको मीटिंग में दोनों
Okay.
शायद
Then
खालिद साहब बैठे हैं उसी
Professor Khalid Bashir should take the seat. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Please.
सर आ जाइए प्लीज सर आ जाइए
I will be very brief. I know you must be hungry for food, and but it is my player duty to introduce transplant team. I would start with the Sayyid Arslan Khalid, nephrologist, Dr. Ahad Qayyum, nephrologist, and members of his nephrology team, anesthetists and intensivists, call associates. All are part of our team. Professor Khalid Bashir, Sayyid Arshad Taqi, Dr. Asiya Taqi, Professor Jawdat Salim, Dr. Shamila, Dr. Liaquat Ali, Dr. Naseem Ali Sheikh, and all other senior team members. Professor Javed Raza Gardezi is chairing the evaluation committee, which is a very detailed, a lot of people are involved, like a neurologist, cardiologist, anesthetist, myself and nephrologist, and all specialties which are important, like psychiatrist, are part of that team, which is usually chaired by Professor Javed Gardezi. Transplant team, now I will come to the surgeons who are involved. I will not pronounce my name. Professor Muhammad Khalid Bhatt, because this meeting is preponed. He was available on Saturday, but today he is not available. Dr. Sabir Ali, he is sitting here. Dr. Farooq Malik, Dr. Khalid Hussain, who is stuck at Thokar, Nazbeg Thokar. Dr. Tikur Rahman, he is with him, also stuck there because of traffic. 6 other team members, because we have 4 people on the donor and 4 people on the recipient. Diagnostic setup and backup laboratories has been excellent, namely Professor Salim Qureshi and his team members, and laboratory backup of the hospital. Professor Yusuf Latif Khan as an administrator, and Irfan, executive director, is sitting here. Everybody knows each other, but I would like to pronounce their names because who are involved actually in the transplant program. Senior sisters, their staff members are also actively involved. We have fixed for theatre as well as post-operative duties with AMOs and male nurse and female nurse. I would just narrate few things that it is just a beginning. We have so far, this team has conducted 9 transplants, and mashallah, all are successful, all are coming back to us on follow-up, donors as well as recipient. It is for last 1 year. The program was interrupted number of times because of the corona surge, because the recipient is immunologically down, so he is vulnerable to contract these diseases. I welcome all personalities present here. Truly speaking, it has been the collective effort of the team to make this venture a success. We are at the beginning of our program, though I have performed 35 transplants from 2001 to 2006 already. At that point of time, the law for transplantation was in vogue in May 2007. Previously, we had quite liberty to carry out transplantation, but we confined ourselves to relatives. I have conducted transplant where एक सास ने गुर्दा दिया, एक में उसकी नंद ने गुर्दा दिया. So these is why I am saying it. These relatives are usually at war with each other, but they donated kidney.
गुर्दा दिया गया था कि लिया गया था?
दिया गया. And I am a relation. I am pronouncing it with the relation with the patient. Patient may be anybody. I won't be wrong if the mainstay has been the anesthetics department, because they not only manage the patient under anesthesia but post-operatively, pre-operatively. So this is the mainstay of this team. Just transplanting kidney is a small part of the game. And the evaluation committee under the head of Professor Javed Raza Gardizi, I am saying it is the backbone of the program, where patient can be excluded. So he has the full power. We never press him. You can very well see our program is a robust array of well-known consultants in their relative fields, trained in America as well as UK, with the exception of myself. In this august audience, I would like to narrate as to where I have been trained and started in a transplant. Very few people know this. I was inspired by Professor Khalid Bhatt, late, of Columbus. We have on our team Mohammad Khalid Bhatt, who is a good surgeon, and he is retired as Professor of Urology from Gujranwala Medical College. But this Professor Khalid Bhatt, late of Columbus University, head of Vascular and Surgery Department, as early as my 4th year MBBS class. You know, King Edward's practice was there. If any graduate of their college comes back, even to spend few days here, he was asked to deliver lecture. So 4th year and final year combined with 4th year and final year of FJ used to come and listen to him. So that was practice. I don't know whether it is still there or not. I have been indigenously trained. Now myself, indigenously trained as urologist and transplant surgeon. My great teacher had been Professor Farrukh Ahmed Khan, late. In 1984, he directed me to start renal transplant in LGH, gave me a few books to read and plan renal transplant. 84. There, after reading those books, going through those books, I came to realize that first dialysis center has to be established before transplant. So at that time, MSD was this whole supplier of equipment and medicines. There were 2 machine line which were donated by this Scandinavian country, and they were brand new Gambro, I still remember. We took it here and I installed in my office, just close to the ward. First dialysis was we invited the then dean, who was Lieutenant General Mahyuddin. So in that regard, then I started performing experiments on dogs. I used to take out one kidney, and the other kidney was brought down into the pelvis and transported in the same dog. So immunosuppression was gone, no need, but we wanted to practice technique. If the dog is producing urine, that means that kidney is working. We used to see on the perioperative. Later on, after 15 dogs, I contacted the veterinary college at that time. Now it is an institute and university, and they used to keep that animal alive. Post-operative care was available there. So my dog used to be healthy and roaming about. वो वहाँ का बंदा मुझे फ़ोन करता था, डॉक्टर साहब रोटियां के पैसे मुक गए ने, जो तुझे भेजो थोड़ा कुछ वो उसको खिलाने के लिए। मैं 2-3 दफ़ा तो मैं जाके देखे आया, वो ज़माना नहीं था मोबाइल का और ये। तो उसके बाद मैंने कहा कि तुमने कहाँ से पकड़ा था कुत्ता? कहता गलियों से पकड़ा थी। मैं कहना छाड़ दे गलियों। So Professor Farrukh, once Khalid Bhatt of Columbia University was here, and Professor Farrukh asked, I was also present, how many your students do successful experiment and you allow him to perform on human being? He said 5. Professor Farrukh knew I have done more than 15 dogs already, and I used to. It was a very good animal theatre in the old PGMI building in Mayo Hospital under me, which was air conditioned. So I used to call Professor Farrukh to see that the kidney is producing urine and anastomosis. So he allowed me. Professor Farrukh next day said, Salman, prepare karo a case. Or karo. He asked associate professor, assistant professor, don't disturb me. Don't. They were all assisting me. I was registrar at that time. 1986 November, I carried out first. He remained alive till 99 and he died of tuberculosis. His kidney was okay. Our program is therefore second to none. Once again, I welcome you all and thank you so much for making this event a glorious day. The administrative zeal of Professor Yusuf Latif Khan and team, including theatre in charge, technicians, OTAs and cleaners and sterilization maintenance, operative rooms and CSSD played their role very well. I endeavor to continue such deal to improve this venture with dedication. Thank you very much for patient listening. I now call upon, if everybody is allowed, can come and say a few words.
सबको याद करना मुश्किल होता है
After the break, the first transplant was done by Dr. Sadaf, Mr. Singh, Mr. Jet. Anyway, thank you, Dr. It's nice to have this gathering of consultants and all staff who participated in the kidney transplant. Initially, when Salman started transplant in the early 90s, we were also never. No, at rest. In this hospital.
Yes, 2001 or 99.
So we were also novice at that time. So our two consultants used to come for one patient, two for donors, two for recipients, and all went well. Then there was a break, and I am happy and congratulate Salman that he has started again his transplant operations, and it is not one man job; it is whole team. The way it's being done these days was not done in the past. Now I see the file; it's a big file. Neurologist, I see, nephrologist, physician, surgeon, cardiologist, pulmonologist, anesthetist, and 10-12 people. They see the file and then declare the patient fit for surgery. And I also appreciate the administration, Dr. Khan, Dr. Rishalati, who encouraged them and helped them a lot in carrying out these studies successfully. And I hope and I wish best of luck in near future, and I hope the team will further increase and will be doing a lot more operations. Thank you.